Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Bajaj Finance Limited. This is a multi-bagger stock. Everyone knows that Bajaj Finance is a best stock for trading, and I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let us discuss the swing trade opportunity in this video. This is considered as a major support level for the stock, and look at the chart from the listing. It is a fantastic example for a multi-bagger. The stock jumped from the range of 25 to 5,500 range right now, which is a fantastic 22,000 percentage return for the investors. This stock is an example that investors should invest in such companies which has simple growing and aggressive business models. So the stock is self-explanatory because every candle shows that bullishness in the stock. And let us move to the weekly chart now. In weekly chart, the stock after hitting the COVID fall here, the low was at 1800 range and the stock moved up to the previous price trading, which is around 5000. This is a pre-COVID price of this stock, and once the stock broke the level of resistance here, it took a retracement and it now started moving up to the higher levels. So let us analyze the stock on daily basis. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to make such videos in future on regular basis. And if you have any doubts regarding the video or any other suggestions, feel free to comment below. And if you like the video, hit like button. So this is the daily chart of Bajaj Finance. This chart actually shows a good pattern here. Right now the stock is currently in a pattern of inverted head and shoulder pattern. It is a bullish pattern and one can consider this as a entry, this price as an entry, because I have three reasons behind this entry. Because the stock is currently in good bull run, and look at the green candles. The candles are very huge and quite good at volumes also, and the red candles are very small, so it's good to go long in the stock. And once the stock gave a breakout here, it also tries to make a accumulation zone here, so it's good to go long after a small accumulation zone in a stock. And the candles right now are very bullish in the stock, so going long in such bullish stocks are very good. So one can expect the target of dip of the head in the head and shoulder pattern. So one can expect the up move of 20%, which is around 7000 range as the target, and the entry is at current market price, which is around 5800 range. So one can take entry at 5800 range, and 7000 range can be taken as the first target for the stock, and one can ride the trend using the double EMA level of 21-day moving average. And it's good to go long in this stock because it's a multi-bagger. This is the special reason for going long in such stocks, because such multi-bagger stocks are always bullish and the fall is also very less because the red candles are very small so one can go long without any confusion in the stock. So entry can be taken at 5800 range and target is at 7047 range. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.